Hello everyone, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about office fashion. Yes, whether you're a corporate professional or a working woman, having the right amount of suits in your wardrobe is must have, which can make you look polished and classy all together. Indian wear is one of the most important part of our lives, and we need to make sure that they can be incorporated in our office as well. So let's dive in and understand the 4 different suits that you can have in your wardrobe. They can make you look classy, polished, powerful, and can be worn to office as well. So let's start our journey to the stylish office, and the first must have has to be a classic and sophisticated white suit, which cannot go wrong. Now this is one piece that every woman has in the wardrobe or should have. A white suit is a timeless piece that exudes elegance and professionalism. This stunning ensemble will make you stand out in any office setting. The crisp and the clean look of white suit gives off an air of sophistication and power. You can enhance the look by adding tan footwear and go ahead with pearls to make sure that your outfit looks complete. Now let's add a little playful vibe in your corporate wear for your Fridays, a printed A-line suit. A printed suit with small pattern is a fantastic way to inject some personality into your office attire. Look for subtle prints to make sure it doesn't overpower your whole look. Add it with a solid color of pants. Take the color from your outfit to make sure you stand out and it still looks office appropriate fashion. Moving on to the third one, and has to be my favorite, a black Lucknowie for the sophisticated and a classy look. When worn rightly with right accessories and jewelry, they can create such a powerful look. So if you don't own a black Lucknowie, I will tell you to get one right away. The black Lucknowie suit is a blend of ethnic charm and modern sophistication. Lucknowie embroidery is known for its intricate and delicate designs, adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. Pair it with gold hoops, little bindi and heels to complete your elegant yet professional look. Now let's switch gear and move on to something very comfortable and flowy options, but at the same time something very classy and sophisticated. A flowy kurta set for your ultimate comfort and classy look. A flowy kurta set is perfect if you prefer comfort without compromising style. Make sure the print is not overwhelming you. You can pair it up with straight pants or even wide leg plazos. The flowy silhouette adds touch of grace to your office look while keeping you cool and comfortable during long hours. And here you have it, my top picks favorite for suits to make you look classy and sophisticated in office. A white kurta set, a printed set, a Lucknowi kurta and a flowy kurta option for your Fridays. So invest in these pieces to elevate your look and boost your confidence. It's time to upgrade your wardrobe and look chicest when you go to your office. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like this video, then I am recommending you the next one to watch right here. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.